Okay, first things first, guys. What you're gonna do is when we do an inspection, testing, you don't wanna recall everything like we're doing. What you do is these are these donations and then what you start with, the window. You check your window if it's not broken, if it's okay, and then you check your side mirror. If it's not broken, it's okay. Then you tell the inspector that your tire has pressure. And then you open the door, then you close it, just to make sure right. It closes nicely. And then you run about, come way the side. Then when you run about the side, I'm gonna mention the windscreen. The windscreen is not broken, it's good. The wipers, okay. Then your lights are good. Then your number plate corresponds with the desk. It's SPH 868, SPH 868. So mainly corresponding it is the number plate. Yeah. Then the runabout comes this way. Then when you arrive at the side, you still mention the same things that you mentioned that side. The window, it's okay. The side mirror, it's okay. Then your tires pressure. Open the door, close it. Yeah? Good. Then come this way. Oh, before you forget, memorize the number plates. It should correspond with the number plates at the back. Yeah? Nice. And then you come over this way. Then this is your battery. You check it if it's sealed and locked. Good. And then you come this way. This is your reflection light. Reflection light. And you come this way again. Then the truck that you're going to be testing with, there's a reflection light. Yeah, okay. So you're going to mention it there. And then your tires has pressure. Hold your tires. Then you come this way. Then when you arrive this way, here at the back, that truck that you're going to be testing with, you file a caution learner driver here at the back, not there on top. You know? So you're going to mention it here so that the inspector could hear you loud and clear. Yeah? And then this one, guys, this one is our chevron reflection light. So this is our chevron reflection light. Yeah? So you're going to look at it again like on YouTube so that you know what's yeah? Then I'm going to light the right. Then number plate corresponds with the front desk and the number plate at the front. Okay. And you come over this way. When you arrive here on the side, on your right side, you mention the tire has pressure, and then the truck that you're going to be testing with has a spare tire down there. So you mention it too, within the pressure. This one doesn't have, but the truck that you're going to be using has a spare tire there. So you mention it too. And then reflection light. Reflection light, you mention it, then you come over this way. Reflection light, you mention it, and then come closer. And then you mention this too. This is your petrol tank. Itself is protected, you're good to go. Then after you're done with that, you're done. You get into your car. Can I please have one of you here? One of you. Oh, who after long it? Let's go. Let's do this. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Perfect. Then okay. So when you get inside, guys, so make it a point, guys, that you sit properly. You sit properly. And then sure with everything is sitting in the like your chair, your mirrors, everything should sit the way you are seeing it, or the way you like it, or the way you prefer it to sit. You understand? So make it a point to be right and comfy. Yeah? After you made sure that you're good and comfortable, you put on your belt, seat belt on, and then you mention that your gears are neutral, handbrake up, your handbrake is up, and then your front view, it's not obstructed, you can see it's not blocked, you're okay. And then the inspector is going to stand up here at the front. So when he stands up, or when he or she stands up at the front, they're going to mention the lights. Also, should you light them a light? Turn on your lights. Let me open the door so that you see the lights. These are your lights, guys. These are your lights, guys. When you switch this thing here, remember? Switch it once. This is your dim, then you're bright. Yeah. These are your lights, and then indicate to your left. Your left. Put it up. That's your indicator to your left. See. Then indicate to your right. See. Good. Then hazards. Your hazards. The triangle up SIT. The triangle and hazard just for emergency if it happens that you need to park on the side. Yeah? And then your brake lights. Brake lights, it's when you press your brake. Can you brake? Inspect, tell you, can you brake? Yeah, come light as light the move again. Wonk, and then you get you brake. Yeah? Good. We can't even say brake. Wrong, I can't. Candy brake, candy brake. Nice, good job. Nice. Yeah, but there's a light, yeah, but nice. And then after that, wipers, guys. I'm a wipes now. I am indicator is two ngada. So use that. Wipe. That's number 1. It's a slow. Then number 2, it's a trendy, and then number 3, it's a fast. And then you switch it off. Okay, pull it up. Perfect. Nice. And then that's your inspection, guys. So please, ensure, guys, if you don't